5:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, Davidson County, Northern Randolph County, Guilford County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Enon to 8 miles east of Knoxville to China Grove, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Randleman, Thomasville, Kernersville, Clemens, Bermuda Run, and Linwood. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, and Randolph. At 5:51